Special IOLs, called toric IOLs, can reduce or eliminate the need for distance vision correction after cataract surgery. Unlike conventional IOLs, toric IOLs are specifically designed to address astigmatism, a condition resulting from an irregularly shaped cornea. Once the lens is properly aligned inside of the eye, it offsets the distortion of the cornea, focusing light clearly into the eye. In rare cases, the lens may shift out of alignment. If this occurs, a simple procedure is performed to rotate the lens back into alignment. Although toric IOLs can significantly improve vision, they may not completely eliminate astigmatism, especially in severe cases. Prescription eyewear or a refractive procedure may be needed to correct any astigmatism that remains. Your eye care professional will help select the best IOL for you.